enterprise-wide data strategy session. I am Gunjan from GoEmerald, and GoEmerald is a data-obsessed transformation and innovation firm. We focus on delivering visible, measurable, and repeatable results for our customers on digital transformations, on business transformations, innovation pilots, and sometimes people are looking to pivot their business models as well, as is common during the pandemic and post-pandemic. We do a lot of work in that area as well. And for the last 15 years, I've personally delivered transformations and high ROI innovation for clients in 9 different industries and 28 different companies. So that's basically consultant speak for I solve really complex problems with strategy, leadership, data, and technology. Right. So once again, today we're here for enterprise-wide data strategy. And what I'm sharing with you today is a result of all this work that we've done with our clients over the last 8 years, but also a lot of research that GoEmerald has conducted over the last couple of years, because during pandemic, as I was saying, a lot of things are very different now. So what really creates a data-driven business towards success? So we're not making gut feel decisions as leaders anymore. The whole goal is to enable an enterprise-wide data strategy that aligns your business, that provides all the people in the business what they need in form of data to make those decisions with an informed point of view. Right. So a little bit about Transform This as well is Transform This is a global platform for transformation and innovation thought leadership. We have about 4,000 people in our community of business leaders at this point. And the goal is to bring them together frequently for open. A lot of the times, the root cause of some of these issues that we see in various industries and various challenges that we encounter are very similar. So the goal here is to bring everybody together, discuss frameworks that work in certain situations, and discuss how people can get over some of those issues. That's because if your data strategy is broken, if people don't understand it, or if there are gaps in it, then people won't find value in it, right? Value is a very perspective-driven word. So how do you align some of those conversations? And that's why, to get us started, I put together these 3 questions.